So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a 1248B cartridge and then a partial extension kit. It's a direct replacement for this valve right here. Moen gave us the numbers. We got these straight from Ferguson. We were going to replace the hot side as well, and honestly, that was there's nothing wrong with the hot side. We included it free of charge, but the pricing for the proposal was hot and cold replacement. Of course, the packing nut that retains everything, which is this little guy right here. You can see that little white nut in there. On the hot side, it was stuck pretty good. And of course, working on these, if something breaks, then you got to replace the whole valve. But short story long, cold has been replaced, functions correctly. Got down there, replaced the cartridge, got it lubed up pretty good. Got the packing, the retaining nut back in there, the extension back here, handles back on. Everything works great. We did note when turning the water back on that the hot side blew out quite a bit of debris. We've recommended a water heater replacement to the homeowner, and they can take their time on that. If the tank's full of debris, it's not going anywhere. It's going to stay right there. So as long as it doesn't leak, you're in fine condition. So anyways, cartridge replacement, everything's working good. We did leave the other cartridge with the homeowner in the event that the hot does break down. We've got the cartridge here with them. And it's a pretty common replacement part, so not a big deal. But anyway, so everything looks good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.